Hello guys, so I'm here in Daly City, which is near San Francisco. I came here from LA to visit some friends, also go to the swap. This should be fun. It seems like it's a really popular event. I think there were 135 people who bought tickets, so looking forward to a really good event. Hello guys, hope you're enjoying the footage from the plant swap. This plant swap was actually my first official swap that I ever went to. I heard about this plant swap from my friends in the Bay Area. I bought a ticket to, do some plant stuff and visit them for the weekend. A great little weekend getaway for me. I thought that the event was a huge success. It was in Daly City, which is just south of San Francisco. The weather was a little overcast, but I think the plants and the people definitely made up for that. I'm sure you guys are wondering about the plants. Yes, I did take some footage of the plants. I thought that the plants that did really well were the varieties of pothos. So I thought cuttings of pothos traded really well. I think Hoyas were a big success, I feel. As for the rare plants, I brought with me 2 pink princesses and some Rhapsodiophora crypthantha. I saw some Birkins, some variegated Stanleyana. There were a couple Albo stem cuttings, and I'm sure I'm forgetting some other ones.
Oh, yeah?
Ooh.
Oh, is it like a little...
Nice.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
I need to step up my game.
Wait, you need to look at these in person, Jimmy.
I know.
Swirl in your mouth. Come on.
Hello? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's like I was invading your personal space.
No, you're cool.
Yes, there is a variegated Stanleyana right over there. Oh, Min, there's a banana. Oh, the banana. I want to give a big shout out to the guys at the Pineapple Estate. They were gracious enough to take a lot of pictures at this event and edit them for me, as well as tag a lot of Instagram tags on the videos. Please follow them on Instagram. They are so kind and so fun. They post a lot of images and stories and they're building up their plant collection. Definitely guys to follow on Instagram, as well as just great contributors to the plant community. I also want to give a big shout out to the Tiny Jungle. They run a great operation. Lots and lots of plants that I don't recognize. I did find a very interesting plant. I think it's a philodendron. I'm not quite sure. It was a bit furry. Maybe it's related to the fibrosum or the serpens. Seems to have been in their collection for about 9 years, and they call it Joy. So if any experts have their opinions, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching again. Please subscribe, please like, please share. It definitely helps me a lot. I hope you guys are enjoying this kind of like casual content, just trying to mix it up a bit and seeing what the response is. So till next time, cheers. Hey guys, so hey, I gotta start thinking about content.